Real estate, it's all about connections. The bond between me and a buyer, me and a seller, the helping the other person achieve their goal. The most rewarding part of real estate is that change that you see in them when they walk into a property and all of a sudden they feel like it's home. Hi, I'm Hector. I'm a regional success coach with Rovi Homes. Good. It's like their shoulders drop, giant smile, they're ready to proceed, and it makes it all worth it. The first few months, the first few years of real estate are really, really difficult. Give it your all. It's definitely worth it. It's a lot of work. Just follow the steps that we're giving you. Use us to grow, to reach your goals. As a success coach, I train and support agents. You know, the training is here, the platform is here, the support is here. We take a lot of time to help agents. Our training goes pretty far, so within like a couple weeks, with their first offers and second offers, you kind of see them grow and see the changes. It's beautiful to see them succeeding. I do get joy from seeing others happy. You know, when I first heard about him and heard about the company, I didn't believe in it. I was like, that's too good to be true. Nobody's really out here to change the industry for the best, to make it better for everybody else. And then I became part of it, and it was just awesome. Everything was true. I've never been someplace where it's so positive at all times. It's just really, really cool.